Hello, teachers. So, as you can see, I am now showing you ang ating diagnostic or pre-test for grade 4 Matapad curriculum. So, ito pong diagnostic, as you can see, at the end of the school year, ito rin ang ating magiging achievement test or post-test. So, in making a test, even it is a pre-test, we still need table of specifications. So, as you can see po, ito ay for school year 2024 to 2025. So, isa sa mga identified topics doon is all about identifying Filipino and foreign scientists and their contributions. So, yan. Okay. Somehow, again, this is just a sample. This is not the perfect pre-test, but then, if you want, you can utilize this. Pwede po siya magamit. So, ito po yung sample questions niya. So, for Science 4. Anyway, ang soft copy po nito is ilalagay ko na lang sa description nitong video. Wala po siyang password, so you can easily download this. So, yan po yung ating sample na diagnostic test for science. And we have also here, EPP. So, ito po ay mga pang grade 4 na. So, sa EPP, hindi mawala yung computer. So, this is our diagnostic test sa EPP. Then, yan po yung content. So, you can always check naman this, or if you want to edit this, you can check the soft copy. Ilalagay ko po siya sa description. Again, this is just a sample pre-test or diagnostic test. Just download it sa ating description. Thank you po and good luck po sa ating taon na ito. God bless po.